You can have a luxurious kitchen without breaking the bank or the need for a major renovation. It only takes a few thoughtful touches to elevate your kitchen to that premium level. So let's jump in and explore the 11 ways I believe will do this best, and of course with some Scandi touches thrown in. Number 1. Kitchen art. Art in the kitchen is often overlooked, but it does seem to be a trend I'm seeing more of in 2024. It's a fantastic opportunity for people to showcase their personality and create a focal point for the room. We tend to focus on the functional aspects of the kitchen, like appliances and fixed elements such as backsplashes and countertops, and neglect the opportunity to add decorative elements. However, adding art and decor items can transform the kitchen into a more personalized and aesthetically pleasing space. You can repurpose decor items from other areas of your home to infuse your kitchen with personality. Or you can go for a bold statement piece. An example could be the Suitcase Spice Rack. Take a small, sturdy suitcase and line the interior with wallpaper or fabric that complements your kitchen scheme. Mount the suitcase to the wall using sturdy picture hangers and open it to reveal shelves for housing spices in cute jars or tins. This type of piece can really add a touch of individuality in premium creative ways. Number 2. Upgrade the faucet. A simple yet cost-effective way to elevate your kitchen's look is by upgrading your faucet and drawer pulls. Your faucet is a daily essential, so it should be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. If you're stuck with a worn-out, uninspiring faucet, swapping it out for a new one can instantly refresh your kitchen without breaking the bank. Also, don't overlook the drawer pulls and other metal fixtures. They're like the jewelry in the crown of your kitchen that adds sparkle and cohesion to the space. Whether you opt for matching metals for a seamless contemporary look or mix and match for a more electric vibe, upgrading your faucet and hardware can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your kitchen. Number 3. Add a stylish runner. Consider adding a stylish runner to your kitchen space. I understand this may spark some debate, and please leave your opinions in the comments section down below, but adding a rug or a runner can infuse your kitchen with softness and warmth. Kitchens are known to feature numerous hard surfaces such as cabinetry, countertops, and appliances, which can benefit aesthetically from the addition of a rug. By adding texture and pattern to your kitchen floors, you can imbue the space with personality and warmth, even if you decide not to add vibrant colors. Go for a durable material like jute for practicality, or explore vintage or thrifted options for added character and texture. Regardless of your choice, ensure you're prepared to maintain the rug by promptly addressing stains and spills. Number 4. Lighting. When it comes to lighting, there are a few ways to get that premium touch. Firstly, low-hanging pendants, such as those over a kitchen island or peninsula, offer both task lighting and the illusion of increased height in the room. It's necessary to consider the size of your space when choosing pendant lights, as they can enhance both functionality and aesthetics, particularly in a large kitchen. If you're going for a more Scandinavian-inspired minimalist look in your kitchen, the pendant lighting piece is usually where you want to add your personal touch and make it a stylish premium focus point. Additionally, under-counter and toe-kick lighting with LED strips add a subtle yet luxurious glow to the kitchen and elevate its overall appearance. These simple lighting touches will enhance the ambiance and perceived value of your space. Number 5. Declutter with glass jars. I know this is a bit of a classic tip, but it needs to be said. Enhance the appearance of your kitchen by decanting dry goods into uniform glass jars. This will eliminate clutter caused by various containers and give you a polished, high-end look. Consider IKEA's glass jars with bamboo lids for a stylish yet budget-friendly option, or repurpose mason jars from pasta sauces and jams for an even more budget-friendly alternative. You can further elevate organization by labeling the jars with a label maker. By maintaining consistency in container types, your cabinets will appear more cohesive and visually appealing. Additionally, transparent containers enable easy access to ingredients, which would make cooking and meal prep more efficient. If you have a small kitchen and need to have dried goods on the counter, this tip is a must. Number 6. Color. Adding color to enhance the appearance of your kitchen can elevate its perceived value. Although neutrals are timeless and calming and help with the uncluttered feel that many want for their kitchen, this can be an easy opportunity to introduce bold colors such as a vibrant red, sapphire blue, emerald green that can add a designer touch and inject personality into the space. Also, unique hues on these bold colors can make your kitchen feel more special and reflect your style. This approach is ideal for homeowners looking to create a space that truly represents them and is perhaps not solely focused on resale value. Additionally, experimenting with different materials such as colorful natural stones like white, beige, gray, or playful backsplashes such as slab backsplash, subway tile, glass tile backsplash can add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Including colors such as warm taupe and beige, olive green into fixed elements like cabinets or countertops requires a bit more courage, but it can improve the overall aesthetic. Alternatively, adding pops of color through accents like lamps, towels, or appliances allows for experimentation without a long-term commitment. Adding colors outside of neutral may feel bold, but it can transform your kitchen into both a premium and engaging space that truly reflects you. Number 7. Kitchen utensil upgrades. You can elevate the appearance of your kitchen by ensuring even the smallest details are attended to, and it can start with your dish towels. You should opt for towels that are not only functional, but also visually appealing. A set of dish towels in the same color or pattern can create a sense of balance and completeness and is visually appealing. Arrange them thoughtfully to add a touch of intentionality to your kitchen decor. For example, you can match your towels to your kitchen's color scheme. If your kitchen leans towards warm tones like beige and brown, choose towels in similar shades or with complementary colors like olive green or burnt orange. For a cooler palette with blues and grays, consider navy or teal towels with pops of white for contrast. For the brave and those looking for a focal point on a budget, you can opt for a rainbow design. Arrange a spectrum of colorful dish towels to create a vibrant and cheerful display. This works well in neutral colored kitchens, especially those with neutral colored cabinets and countertops, as it will really draw the eye. Additionally, upgrade your dishwashing essentials to enhance the overall aesthetic. Replace generic dish soap bottles with amber glass dispensers for a chic look. With minimal effort and expense, you can transform your kitchen into a stylish and inviting space where every item has thought gone into it. Number 8. Aesthetic cookware. Another effective way to elevate the appearance of your kitchen is by investing in aesthetically pleasing cookware. In Denmark, Royal Copenhagen cookware is incredibly popular and is a good example of the Scandi way of doing aesthetically pleasing cookware pieces. Cookware not only serves a functional purpose, but also contributes to the overall aesthetic of the kitchen. A more functional yet sleek cookware example could be from Caraway, who offer non-toxic, non-stick cookware with a sleek and contemporary design. Their cookware sets come with magnetic storage containers for each pan, which ensures easy access and organized storage. The lids are conveniently stored in a canvas holder, which eliminates the hassle of rummaging through cabinets. Adding these types of cookware sets that can really give you a cohesive and sophisticated look, especially when presenting or serving up food with guests over. Number 9. Styling your kitchen with non-essentials. When aiming to achieve a sophisticated and expensive look for your kitchen, one often overlooked aspect is styling the non-essentials, as we've covered a lot of the essential pieces. Items such as candles, cookbooks, vases, fruit bowls, and other decorative elements can elevate the ambiance of your kitchen. A tip with these items is to group decorative items together to create visually appealing vignettes that tell a cohesive story. For example, pairing a cutting board with a pedestal bowl for garlic display makes for a practical and aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Choose decor items that serve a purpose in the kitchen while adding to its overall appeal through grouping and where it gets placed. Number 10. Focal point. Another effective strategy, and something we've already touched on to enhance the perceived value of your kitchen, is by creating a focal point or a couple of focal points through a mix of items that can be high and low in cost. Invest in one exquisite, higher-end item such as a piece of art, pendant lamp, or elegant glassware, and complement it with budget-friendly decor like woven baskets or fresher fake flowers in a nice vase. These focal points will elevate the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. This technique is commonly used by stylists and designers to achieve a luxurious look without the budget. It is particularly effective in small kitchens where it's not possible to avoid all the clutter. You just make the clutter more neutral colors and the statement more bold, and it will draw the eye. Number 11. Cabinets to ceilings. When constructing kitchen cabinets, extending them all the way to the ceiling can enhance the appearance of the kitchen space. This design choice will create an illusion of larger space and eliminate the awkward gap above the cabinets. You can enhance the seamless look by adding thick crown molding. When you go for cabinets that reach the ceiling, you eliminate the need to decorate the space above and avoid it, which can become a dust collector. Similarly, extending the backsplash to the ceiling draws the eye upwards. and adds a sense of grandeur to the kitchen. Which of these would you love to try for a kitchen facelift? Share your thoughts and let me know which ones you'd love to try in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and inspirational videos like this one, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.